Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi S3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition Sportback Tronic quattro. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Mythos Black Metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5V-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Mythos Black Metallic exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the black fine Nappa leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, helping to enhance your listening experience on any journey that you may take. Along with a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 92,205 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. A navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with front and rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on an Audi S3 2.0 TFSI Black Edition Sportback Tronic quattro that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.